Hello, hello. Constant qualifier. What is that constant qualifier? You people already written the program. How to calculate area of a triangle, how to calculate area of a sphere, sorry, area of a circle, and you people use their pi. Hello, hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You people use their pi, and you writing area equal to pi r square. Hello, area of circle, pi r square. Suppose you don't want to declare write pi inside the program, you have to declare that pi at header file section. The format is hash define pi. For pi, you write down pi hash. You people write in your paper, hash define. Hello, hello. All of you ready? Hello, all of you ready or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
You
sir.
just write macro declaration. Write one heading macro declaration or constant qualifier. Within oblique, write down constant qualifier. What is that constant? Suppose a variable, you are declaring one variable x. You don't want to provide a statement during scanf. So you write there int x equal to 20. That is your constant declaration. It is automatically assigned that during the declaration section. It is defined that x is a constant. Okay. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. You just write down hash define hash, write down hash macro declaration, macro declaration, or you may write there how to declare a constant qualifier. So you write there hash include stdio.h. You just write hash include stdio.h. Then you write hash include conio.h within angular bracket. First you write hash include, then angular bracket start, you write stdio.h, standard input output dot h. What is that dot h? Hello, hello, Soumya, Soumya Ranjan.
Yes, sir.
What is that dot h? Has include stdio dot h. What is that dot h? Dot h is the extension name of header file. Whenever a dot h stands, it means that it is a header file declaration. Dot is the separator and stdio dot is the file name of the file, and h is the extension name, and the dot is the field separator. Now you understand? Hello.
Yes, sir.
As include stdio dot is standard input output library, stdio, then dot, then a is the extension name. Now you write there has include conio dot h, console.io input output operation. Has include conio dot h. Now you write down hash include, sorry, hash define. What is the syntax for macro declaration? Hash define pi, capital P capital I. Hash define space. You leave certain space, then write down pi. My voice is clear or not? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Pi. You write down pi space 3.24. Or what? What is the value of pi?
3.14.
Huh.
Different
Yes,
ones.
sir. 141.
3.14. Whatever you value you put there, 3.14. Now, whenever you are writing one program inside your body, you just call pi. In the main formula, you write down area equal to 2 into 2 into pi into R into R. Hello. Then
Yes, sir.
semicolon. Area equal to what you are written, what you have written, area equal to 2 into pi. Why pi? Because we are declaring pi at header file segment. That is called micro declaration or constant qualifier declaration in header file segment. Then 2 into pi into r. What is r? You also declare that r static declaration. After void main you write, after hash include, then void main, void void main. What is that void main? Orpita is one
Declaration.
student. Orpita is here. Hello, hello,
Yes, sir.
hello. What is that void main?
And main function declaration.
Main function declaration. Before writing on one program, it's always you should declare one main function, that is called void main.
Word
Void,
main.
void space main, then function symbol. Only curly bracket without only bracket without parameter, that is main function. Then there is no semicolon at the end of main function. Whenever we are finishing main function section, there is no semicolon allowed there. If you are putting semicolon there, then the control cannot enter the body of the program. Now you getting my point or not? Hello, hello, hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Whenever
sir.
we are declaring void main, void void main, main main, then a function, function symbol means two brackets. There is no parameter inside the bracket, there is no semicolon, then curly bracket started. Curly bracket started means your body or the coding segment. Hello, or the coding segment. What is coding? The process of writing one program is known as your coding. Hello, hello.
Yes, sir.
Coding means what? The process of converting one algorithm in certain programming language, that is known as your coding. Somebody ask you what is the coding style? Coding style means whenever you are plot the algorithm. Algorithm. What is algorithm? The step by step representation of one logic. The step by step representation of one logic. When you put that algorithm in certain programming language, either you C++, Java, Python, any kind of platform or any kind of environment, that is known as a coding. The coding is the process of writing certain logic in a set of instruction. Or what is that set of instruction? Or the line of code, the set of instructions. So printf is a instruction, scanf is a instruction. That are the instruction. Now you getting my point or not? What is coding? Hello. What is coding? The process of writing a programming language, or the process of plotting, the process of writing a logic in certain programming language or in a certain environment is known as your coding or designing. Within coding, coding means writing. Designing means your coding plus flowchart is known as your designing. What is designing? What is program designing? Hello, hello, Gaurav. One student is
Yes.
Gaurav here.
Yes, sir.
What is designing? Designing means coding flowchart plus algorithm flowchart plus programming is known as your designing.
Yes.
Hello,
Yes, sir.
detailed designing. Yeah, or algorithm and flowchart. Otherwise, algorithm flowchart sometimes known as your blueprint. What is the blueprint of the program? Means algorithm and flowchart is the blueprint. Hello. Algorithm and flowchart are non-executable. We can't execute the algorithm flowchart, but you executes the programming, executes the coding. Now you getting my point? What is blueprint? Blueprint means the detailed design. It includes algorithm, it includes flowchart. Hello, hello.
Yes, sir.
Means the
Yes, sir.
control structure, means the entire control structure. Today morning I sent you certain notes. You just look a glance. In that particular note, there is some flowchart is there, also coding is there. That is known as your what your algorithm plus flowchart is known as your blueprint. And what is coding? Coding means the process of writing one program. And what is detailed designing? Your detailed designing algorithm plus flowchart plus coding. Now you understand? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you understand how to declare a constant in header file segment? Hello?
Yes, sir.
You just
Yes,
write,
sir.
you just complete that code, void main, then bracket start. You write there int, not don't declare int. You write there float. Why float? Because whenever we are calculating area or radius, sorry, area or perimeter of a circle, by default it generates your floating point values. It's floating point values. So no integer declaration is not required there. Okay. Now you getting my point or not? Hello.
Yes.
You just write down float 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 r equal to 5.2 means you are this is one type of constant declaration. There is no need again to provide data through scanf. No need. You are direct declare, that is known as your static declaration. That is known as your static declaration. Now you understand or not? Hello?
So initialization.
Static, static declaration of variable. Hello? Dynamic means during runtime you provide the value r may be 6, r may be 6.2, r may be 6.5. That is known as your dynamic or runtime. One is compile time, another is your runtime. Runtime means it accepting value during the execution time, during the runtime. And compile time means before execution you have to assign some static values there. The value should be initialized. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you write down float area, float r equal to 6.2 or 5.2, you may write there, and float area, then semicolon. Two statement, either you declare in single line, comma is the separator, and termination of statement always semicolon. Whenever you are declaring one variable, the variable declaration always ending with one semicolon. Now getting my point or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The number of variables are separated by what? Comma. Comma is the separator. Now you write there area, then make another comma, write down perimeter. Write down perimeter. Hello? Perimeter.
Yes, sir.
Then semicolon. You just write the formula area equal to pi, don't write pi, pi into r, then semicolon, termination of statement. Area equal to pi into r, then semicolon, termination of statements. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Then write down perimeter equal to 2 into pi into r, 2 pi r, then semicolon. Trupti, can you show me your copy? One student, Trupti, is here. Can you show me your copy? Here void main float r equal to 5.2, area equal to pi. Always you always remember there is no assignment operator during micro declaration. Define pi, capital P, capital I. It's okay. Small is also acceptable, but whenever we are declaring, maintain capital P, capital I, then no equal to operator is here. Space the value, and no semicolon is also allowed. Whenever you are declaring macro, no semicolon is allowed. Her screen is her write up is visible to you all or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you look here, define pi. You put here capital P, capital I. small, it's okay, but always you try, because it's a designing issue. Then you write space, no equal to operator. One wrong is there, no equal to allowed in your macro declaration. It's space. Then 3 point, okay. Then void main, either you write void main or int main,
Main.
then curly bracket, then float r equal to 5.2. Okay, area and perimeter is not assigned here. You just put a comma there, write down area and perimeter, because whenever you are compile, whenever you run this code, it asking you the area and perimeter is not declare, it no is not initialized. Okay, and how many number of variable you are declaring, you just look the declaration section. If you are declaring 5 number of variable, that 5 of number of variable is separated by comma. Hello. And either you are declaring single data type or multiple data type. If multiple data type is there, multiple line is also there. Now getting my point or not? Hello.
Yes, sir.
This is your local declaration. You look, this is your local declaration. Because why local declaration? One student Nikita is there. You tell me why local declaration?
Sorry, sir, I don't know.
How can you identify it's a local declaration? Because the variable is declared inside your function, main function. That's why it is local variable declaration. If we are declaring that float r up before your void main, that is known as your global variable declaration. Now you write, yes, it's okay. Now you write printf, printf. Now you write printf bracket start %f within double quote you write down %f, then comma area, comma perimeter, then bracket close, semicolon. Then you write the printf statement for to print the output. Printf bracket start. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Uh, printf is case sensitive. P, from starting from P to F, all letter should be in small case. Okay. Now you getting my point or not? From P to F, all the letters should be in small case. Print F, then bracket start, then double quote, double quote, double quote, write down %f, %f. Why %f? Because %f is what? Percentage is the control string. Here, whenever you are writing one format specifier, %f in a printf, that is known as your control string. Why control string? Because it controlling the variables. And control string, then quote end, then comma, then you write down the variables, and the variables are separated by comma. What are the variables? Area, comma, perimeter, then bracket close, semicolon. Now getting my point or not? Hello. Nikita, one student Nikita is here. Now you are getting.
Yes, sir.
Now you getting what is going on?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is there any problem?
I know, sir.
Why? What is printf? Inside your printf, whenever you are writing %f, that %f is known as your control string. Because we are passing the parameter in printf is, one is your control string segment, another is your variable segment, and the separator is comma between your control string and variable, and the control string represented within double quote. Now you getting my point or not? And a printf statement always terminating with one semicolon. That is the semantics of printf statement. Otherwise it is showing you syntax error. It's showing you syntax error because compiler cannot judge the logical error. Because logical error, you people free the logical error during the debugging time, during run time. Now you getting my point or not? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Then write down get ch, get ch, because we are writing here void main. Void returns nothing, but you have to write there get ch, because whenever if you are not writing get ch, your screen became, whenever you are run that program, the screen comes and just go back. You cannot view the static position of the screen. That's why we are putting there get ch, because get ch bring the screen in a static position where you can see your inputs and its corresponding output. Now you get in my point or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Yes. Then
Yes, sir.
closing curly bracket, your entire program is completed. Here you are getting so many things. You people, one question comes to your mind, why sir telling this simple program after 3 4 class? Because we are not doing the program, we are dealing with the different statements. One thing should be clear to all, that whenever printf statement takes certain argument, that argument is the combination of your control string and variable list. Hello?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
You just put a arrowhead there, whatever percentage f, you just underline that and put a arrowhead, write down control string. That is known as your control string. And comma, after comma, you are writing, all of you write area and perimeter. What are that area and perimeter? Area, perimeter are variable list. Now you getting my point or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, and whenever we are representing that format specifier within scanf statement, that is known as your what? That is known as your format specifier and address list. Why? Because we are putting there percentage f, and against your variable list, we are putting there ampersand x or ampersand y. What is that ampersand? Is the address list. It addressing the variable to certain memory location. Now you getting my point or not? Hello?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Is there any, can you, yes, uh, Pratisweta, na kon? Your name is Pratisweta, na kon? Na Pritisweta.
Sir, Pratisweta.
Hmm. Can you show me your copy? You just show the copy, what you have written.
Yes, sir.
Your copy, show me your copy. Okay, it's okay. Just scroll bottom, scroll it to bottom of the copy. Okay, you write here what? Get ch or what? Get ch, then function symbol,
Yes.
then semicolon. Hmm.
Yes.
Okay, either you write here get ch. If you are writing int main, with you just put a or mark, right? In place of void main, you write int main. If you are writing int main, and the return type should be return integer type value.
Return space.
Return 0, because a integer type function always returns a integer type value, but whenever we are declaring void means it returns nothing. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, and you just told you another thing. You, one or two people among you, those are maintaining the notebooks clearly, take the snapshot of your notebook what today taught by the teacher and sharing in your group. Okay? Hello?
Yes.
Whatever you all people, definitely you all people doing notes in your corresponding C copy, but voluntarily one or two students share the copy. If you are sharing, so what are the gaps? If somebody in network problem, some network issue, that persons also view the documents. Okay? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, and you just put before void main you just put there suppose one variable declares any variable, just put a command line double slash double forward slash, you write there double forward slash in between your macro declaration and void main, you just write there int int x int x, because you are put that line within comment line, so during the time of execution it cannot be taken up into account, because you are putting a comment line int x then semicolon in place of what, in place of in between your hash defined macro declaration and a void main, that is known as your global variable section. Now you get in, Nikita, now you get in my point. What is global variable? Global variable is declared within your header file and main function section in between. Local variable always call inside the body of the program. Now getting my point or not? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Another operator, you people know size of operator? Hello?
No, sir.
You just write one sentence there. Any small program, you just suppose you just write one code for calculation of summation of x and y. You just one code has include. Hello? Has include stdio.h, has include stdio.h, has include conio.h. Is there any problem to write up this sentence? Hello?
No, sir.
Okay. Next, write down void main int y, void main int y equal to 0 semicolon, void main int y equal to 0 semicolon, before after void main you just put a curly bracket. Are you putting there curly bracket, or you people skip that curly bracket? After void main you put there curly brace, one curly brace is there, opening curly bracket.
Yes, sir.
Then write down int y equal to 0, int x equal to 5, comma int y equal to int z equal to 7, then semicolon. Then write down y equal to x plus z, then semicolon. Then write down printf percentage d within double quote, comma y, then bracket close, semicolon. Then get ch bracket close. You also call there size of operator. Write down size of si jd, size of x, then semicolon. hello
sir କୋଉଠି
size of x ସେଇଟା କୋଉଠି ଲେଖିବ ସେଇଟା ଗୋଟେ କାମ କର ଗୋଟେ ଭ୍ୟାରିଏବଲ ଡିକ୍ଲେୟାର କରିଦବ ନାଇଁ ତ in printf statement ତମେ ଲେଖି ପାରିବ ତମେ ଗୋଟେ କାମ କର ଗୋଟେ ଭ୍ୟାରିଏବଲ ଡିକ୍ଲେୟାର କରିଦିଅ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ another variable suppose t int t hello
ଆଜ୍ଞା
int t ଟାକୁ ତମେ ଗ୍ଲୋବାଲ ଡିକ୍ଲାରେସନ କରିଦିଅ ସେଠି ଲେଖିଦିଅ t equal to size of x t equal to size of size of within bracket x is the parameter then semicolon but what it calculating
Sir,
it
ଏଇଟା
returns
କୋଉଠି printf ରେ ଲେଖା ହବ?
ତମେ ନର୍ମାଲ ଲେଖିକି ତାକୁ t ଟାକୁ printf ରେ ପ୍ରିଣ୍ଟ କରିଦବ ଆଉ କଣ ବୁଝିପାଇଲ ମୁଁ କଣ କହିଲି ତମେ ଆଗ ଗ୍ଲୋବାଲ ଭେରିଏବଲ ଡିକ୍ଲାରେସନ ରେ ଲେଖ int t in between your hash include void main ଭିତରେ ଲେଖିଦିଅ int t then semicolon within the body of the program you just put there t equal to size of x size of within function you write the parameter x ଯେମିତି ତମେ
ସାର୍
ଲେଖୁଛ
କଷ୍ଟ
sin
ଟିକେ
x
ରିପିଟ୍ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ସେଇଟା ଜାଣି ହେଲାନି
ତମେ ତ ଲେଖ ଜାଣିବ କେମିତି ଲେଖ ତମେ sin x କେମିତି ଲେଖୁଛ sin within bracket x ଏଠି ତମେ କଣ ଲେଖିବ
ସାର୍
ହଁ ଏଠି ତମେ ଲେଖିବ size of x size of of size of x semicolon ତାକୁ t equal to ଲେଖିଦବ t equal to size of x ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ଲେଖିଦିଅ printf percentage d t ସେ କଣ କରିବ size of x ଟାକୁ ରିଟର୍ନ କରିବ 2 byte ରିଟର୍ନ କରିବ because integer type occupies 2 byte ଆଉ ତମେ ଯୋଉ float declaration କରିଛ area of circle perimeter ସେଠି ଯଦି calculate ଆମେ କରିବା size of ଲଗେଇବା size of what area ସେଠି ସେ କଣ ରିଟର୍ନ କରିବ float 4 byte ମୋ କଥା ବୁଝିପାଇଲ
ୟେସ୍ ସାର୍
ତମେ ଏକ୍ଜିକ୍ୟୁଟ କଲା ବେଳେ ଜାଣିପାରିବ ଖାଲି ଜାଣିଥାଅ ସାଇଜ ଅପରେଟର always gives the size of integer type value or float type value different data type how much space it consumes in memory location okay hello hello
Yes, sir.
ୟେସ୍ ସାର୍
completed can anybody showing me your copy Soumya Ranjan can you show me your copy hello 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 okay it's okay hello
Yes, sir.
hello Soumya Ranjan, I voluntarily told you and other peoples, the only one or two best notes you share among your friends. So the clarity became more clear. Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay. I will give you the PDF also. Uh, you just in next class onwards we read from that PDF. Okay. And how many number of students present here? 39. Excluding me 38 okay hello
Yes,
Rudra
sir.
Narayan you just take the attendance okay you just take the snapshot because due to certain problem health problem I have no
Yeah.
attendance sheet today okay
Okay, sir.
okay you just take the attendance and whatever I taught you right now it is understandable or not you just tell me
Yes, sir.
you just put size of operator I telling you again and again size of operator always returns the data type how much size the data type consumes you size of then bracket you just pass the variable name A, B, C. It does not matter whether A is an integer or float. It returns accordingly. If it's float, then the size of operator returns 4 byte. If it a double, it returns 8 byte. If it a character, then it returns 1 byte. Now you getting my point or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You take the snapshot and we conclude today's class. Okay?
So,
Yes, tell me.
sorry, I have a doubt. Yesterday, actually, during programming, I got a segmentation fault.
Segmentation faults means ampersand is missing. Whenever you are
Then I
passing
should,
scanf in your scanf statement, if the ampersand is missing, then it is segmentation issue.
so, sir,
No, no,
uh,
you are,
how to, I mean,
listen me.
sir,
First, listen me.
yes, sir.
Segmentation fault means whenever you are addressing certain variable, percentage d, ampersand s. That is, if ampersand is not given in s, in x, in that particular time, it shows segmentation fault. Now, you getting my point or not?
Yes, sir. So basically, you have to, I mean, sir, the recursion of main function is included here.
Okay, if you have problem, you just segmentation fault. I telling you one thing: if your ampersand is missing, that is known as your segmentation fault. Because whenever it's passing the address field, it does not identify. Addressing रे जदि हमें ampersand दबनी सेठी segmentation fault तमर शो करियो ହେଲା तमे
Okay,
देखो
sir. Thank you.
ଦେଖ ସେଗୁଡା କ୍ଲିୟର ହେଇଯିବ ତମର ତ ଲାଭ ଶୁଣ ଫିଜିକାଲି ଆମେ ତ ଲାଭ କରିପାରୁନେ ଲାଭ କରିପାରୁଛେ କି ହେଲା ମୁଁ
No, sir.
ତମକୁ ମୋର ହଁ ମୋର ଡିପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟରେ ସିଷ୍ଟମ ଦିଟା ଇଏ ଅଛି କଣ ଅଛି ସିଷ୍ଟମ ଖରାପ ଅଛି ଏସଏମପିଏସ କଟି ଯାଇଛି ମୁଁ ତମକୁ ସ୍ମାର୍ଟଫୋନ ତାପରେ ସିଷ୍ଟମ ଠିକ ରହିଲେ ବି ତମକୁ ରନ୍ କରେଇ ଦେଖେଇ ହବନି ବିକଜ देयर आर 60 numbers of students around how many number of students doubt is clear okay ତମେ ତମର ନିଜ ସିଷ୍ଟମ ଶୁଣ ତମର ଯୋଉ ଲ୍ୟାପଟପ୍ ଅଛି ଡେସ୍କଟପ୍ ଅଛି ତମେ ତା ଦେହରେ ସ୍ମଲ ସ୍ମଲ ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରାମ ରନ୍ କର don't go to the big programs and again your laboratory classes is also there during your laboratory
Yes, sir.
classes huh, whatever examples I given you you just run that example and visualize the code whether that things are accurate or a little bit difference hello
Yes, sir.
that's why I am telling you small programs because from these small programs you identify how the control how the lines executed one after another okay
Yes, sir. We got it.
Rudra Narayan you, attendance is taken by you or
Yes,
not
sir.
hello okay
Yes, sir. I
shall we
have sent
conclude
it in the group, sir. Yes, sir.
shall we
Sent.
conclude
Yes, sir.
okay I followed by I give you certain beautiful notes different types notes you don't worry you just go through the coding segment what is exist if int x is written there you ask me sir why int x is there
थोड़ा medicine खाओ चलो बड़ी जीवन वाले
सर पळेले
Very good.
सर सर नॉर्मल ओडिया रे कहले भी होनता सर ट्राई करचंती अब जाहे जता कर दे
Next class को आपको इंग्लिश बुझी आसेनी
सर ए नेक्स्ट टा कोन कोन कहि देले सेकंड प्रोग्राम टा
ଆମେ ବି ଲେଫ୍ଟ ନେଇଯିବା ନା କଣ
हां चलो चलो
वो का टाइम
Start,
ना
start.
हो तो 10:30
ରୁଦ୍ର ଭାଇ
ଛାଡ
ଏତେ
ଦେଲେ
ସୁନ୍ଦର
ସବୁ
ନୋଟ
ଛାଡ
ରୁଦ୍ର
ଦେଲେ
ଭାଇ ଟିକେ ବ୍ୟୁଟିଫୁଲ ନୋଟ ଦବ
हाँ पूरा ब्यूटीफुल कौन पढ़ा ना कौन हमें 10 जन आगे अच्छु पढ़ा
Siddharth. Bye.
Third